Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Lego Fortnite crashing. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So there's actually a few things and a few settings that we should be checking here to ensure that Lego Fortnite would actually probably work on your PC. So one of the first thing that we should be checking here is we have to ensure that our drivers and our Windows here is actually up to date. So at the bottom left of your screen, go ahead and click on search, and from here you want to type in the following, which is going to be device manager, and open it up. Now from here, what we need to do next is we need to go to display adapters here. You want to right click on your display adapter here, and from here choose the option that says update driver, and from here choose the option that says search automatic for drivers, and from here just basically update your display adapters. Now once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is you want to make sure that Windows is up to date. So again, go to search, and from here you want to go ahead and just type in update, and from here click on check for updates. Now from here, what we need to do next is just click on check for updates here, and if there are any updates, make sure that you installed it on your Windows, and from here on you should be good with your updates. And from here on, just go ahead and try open up with Fortnite or Lego Fortnite again on your PC. Now, if that doesn't work, well, in this case, the problem itself might be on the hardware or your computer itself. So to probably increase your chances on playing Lego Fortnite is you have to ensure that we are currently have Fortnite as the only application running on our PC. So in this case, you could go ahead and go to search here and just type in task manager, or you could go ahead and just click on your keyboard, Control Shift Escape, and that should pop up Task Manager. Now, if you don't see this UI here, click on the option that says More Details, and once you've done that, you should be able to see all the list of application that is running in your background. Now, in this case, if you're running multiple browsers, make sure that you close that, because as you can see right now, it's running on memory as well on CPU. So if your CPU or memory here reaches 100%, or the disk as well reaches 100%, then most likely your Lego Fortnite would actually crash. So again, we want to minimize that, so make sure to close any applications that you're not using, like for example this browser here, and if you have torrent open in your background, make sure that you close that. And from here on, search for any applications, like for example we already have Google Chrome here, make sure to close all of this one. And once you've closed all the background applications here, you could go ahead and try open up Lego Fortnite and see if that solves your issue. So yeah, so those are the things that you could do to solve this issue, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.